All right, guys. So maybe you have started a video and you go, and you just need to cut that part out. Okay. Well, this is going to change the way you create content. This is the most revolutionary tool for video editing. And I know a lot of people when they hear video editing, they're like, video editing, like it takes so much time. People don't like hearing the way they speak because of the way their voice rings in their head is different, because of your skull and all that kind of stuff. Um, and maybe some people say and a little bit too much. Okay, guilty. I've had that happen to me. So this is the tool that will change your life, and they actually have a pretty functional free version if you just do some basic editing. And I'm going to show you how that works right now. Okay, so let me tell you about what Descript is. Okay, it basically you will edit it from the a text editor, right? So you're not editing with the timeline. And that's what's really amazing about Descript. So let me pull up here and you can see right here, I've got a video that I started recording and basically this was just a different intro. And so what I can do is look at this, okay? So this is how it looks right now. Videos about anything. This is really going to change your life. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so let's say I wanted to get rid of the, all right, let's get into it. Boom, I can delete that. Okay, let's say I wanted to get rid of the all right here. I can get rid of that. I can just ignore things as well. They might pause, they might say something stupid. I can get rid of this whole thing. And I can actually replace some of these words with an AI content, which they can make your own voice and sound like you, and that's pretty cool as well. But even just going through this and cleaning this up, allows me to make this sound so much better, right? So things, and it just takes a long time. And that's why I think people are afraid of video editing. What are some other reasons? Anyhow, right? So I've cut this out, and I can change the. So it all also does all of the transcription for you, right? So you can correct it, and this is actually Descript, okay, is the name of it, and it will change this for you, okay? You can also do overdub, where I can assign a voice. So this is great because you can put B-roll or anything over top of it. You just add a slash here, and then it creates a new scene, right? So if I wanted to put a little slash here as well, then that creates a new scene. And then for this part in the middle, between these slashes, I can actually just go here and search for a video to get some royalty-free video about, let's say, the movies, okay? So I can grab this little script, it will load it in. And now when people watch this, it will continue to go, but just that little part has B-roll over top of it. Why it's so awesome, because you can actually record video and edit it as if you're editing a Word doc. Is that not cool? Okay, so maybe that was a little bit too long, so I'll just put it here, and then I can remove it from this frame, and so now it's back to this. It's so awesome because you can actually record video, right? And so I haven't trimmed any clips or anything. I can get rid of this extra. It's so awesome. So let's get rid of this whole thing. So it just says it's so awesome. Okay, and let's play that again. Why it's so awesome, because you can actually record video. Is that not cool? Okay, so I haven't done anything with this editing. I've basically just taken out some ums, and this is all you edit. Now you can do granular adjustments in the timeline if you want to, but I think for most people, this is just a new way of doing video. It's a better way of doing video. And this is actually on the free plan that I'm showing you guys. So that's why it says here, upgrade to increase your transcription limit. It's something I'm actually doing today. They just released some new features and a roadmap of what's coming up. But it's really, really awesome. So if I wanted to put like right here, really amazing tool that's going to, right, so this really amazing tool part, I can also put anything over top of here. I can put a little audio blip, a little sound effect. Um, let's music, right? So let's put a sound effect of a dog in here. Okay, and now you can see that little button for the sound effect here. Well, there's a really amazing tool that. Okay, is that awesome? I can also put a GIF, right, of let's say a dog in the same place, and now when I play it, well, there's a really amazing tool that's going to change the way you. All right, so this is just really awesome, and that's why I wanted to share this with you. I'll put a link in the description, but when I saw this and just started using it, it really blew my mind. You can also add sound effects and put in green screen, even if you don't have a green screen behind you. It's pretty awesome. So check out the link. I think you'll really want to give it a test drive, and let me know what you think in the comments.